What's going on, YouTube and YouTube pipe smokers? So, just wanted to give you guys an update about what's going on. I'm going to be doing the next review probably tomorrow or Saturday, maybe Sunday. But it's going to be shellac. I don't know how to pronounce it. I got to look it up. But anyway, so I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to talk about a little bit of my project that I'm working on the bike. It's gotten pretty far. I'll show you guys. So right here, I got to make some motor mounts for the front, and then got to finish putting the cams in and the fuel and the oil pump, and then I have the other side to do as well. I got the transmission back in. Stand up. There we go. I got the transmission back in, which is really nice. Got all the gear, the shifting linkage and everything done. I put a new stator in the bike. Yeah, next up, if you would like to follow me over here, next up is to put the, I forgot what this is called. The primary drive. Put the primary drive stuff back in. And then I'm going to be putting, where are you? Oh, well, this guy too, the primary case. I also got to do the other side of the cam case. But I got everything in the degreaser. I got the cams in the degreaser right now. Sorry guys, I'm watching The Mitchells, Robot Apocalypse. It's a good movie if you haven't seen it. But I have the cams in here. You can kind of see them right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the degreaser. But then yeah, I got all the rest of the parts nice and cleaned up. I got rid of all the old gasket material that was on top. It was pretty disgusting. Got them all nice and shiny and cleaned up the bolts and intake manifold, and got that all done. Next is carbs, and I have no idea what I'm doing with the carburetor. So yeah, the last piece of the puzzle for right now is going to be these guys. It's the Hammer Performance 1275 kit. Oh yeah, can't wait to put that guy in. But yeah, so far it's going pretty good. Just going to give you guys a good shot of the bike real quick. This is what we got going on so far. There we go. So anyway, that's what I got going on so far. And then, like I said, I'll be doing the review this upcoming week. So stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later.